Dear students, myself Rohit Ranjan. I am going to discuss today one question and finally question on negative zero error asked in JEE Advanced, and it's on vernier caliper. Now this JEE Advanced question was asked in paper 1. Problem is based on again negative zero error on vernier caliper. Now what is the question? Let us go through the question at first. Question is given: the smallest division on the main scale of a vernier caliper is 0.1 centimeter. 10 division of vernier scale correspond to 9 division of the main scale. The figure below on the left shows the reading of this caliper with no gap between its jaws. The figure on right, I am going to draw the figure, shows a reading with solid sphere held between jaws of caliper. You have to find what is the correct diameter of sphere. Now let's watch what is the diagram given. You can take a pause and try to solve this question. Here left side when jaws are coinciding, and right side while taking measurement of diameter. Here 4 options are given. Option A 3.07 centimeter, option B 3.11 centimeter, option C 3.15 centimeter, and option D 3.17 centimeter. Major problem came here in such a way that students had written answer D. I had drawn a standard vernier caliper, though it is not the part of the question, and vernier caliper is high precision length measuring instrument, though lower than what we can say micrometer. Please like, subscribe and share this if you like the solution. I am going to proceed for the solution. Here we can see in the diagram that zero of vernier caliper while jaws are coinciding is in left of zero of main scale. It means it is negative zero error. It implies that negative zero error, and here 10 VSD is equal to 9 MSD and 1 VSD is 9 by 10 MSD. Thus list count is 1 minus 9 by 10 MSD, means its length is 0.1 millimeter. This is standard vernier caliper, mostly available, and there are 2 methods to solve it. Now I am going to show you again the question diagram. Left side when jaws are coinciding. Method number 1. Here we can see when jaws are coinciding, 6th vernier scale on a main scale division. Okay, and how to calculate zero error? It is negative zero error. Number of vernier scale division on main scale division behind it 10th vernier scale division into list count. It is equal to minus 4 into 0.1, yani minus 0.4 millimeter. And reading of vernier caliper is, during measurement, it is MSR plus VSR multiplied by list count. It is 31 plus 1 into 0.1. That is what we can calculate. Here we obtained. And method 2, no need to go for measuring zero error. I like this method more. And we have to proceed with basics. Now let us watch the diagram. What I had calculated, you can check L1, L2 and negative zero error. I am not going to use the sign of zero error. And here we can write for a left diagram E plus L1 length, that is equal to L2, and E plus L1. L1 is 5 main scale division and L2 is 6 vernier scale division. It means E is equal to 6 VSD minus 5 MSD. Hence, we can write a diameter is, you can check, come to right diagram, it is E plus measurement. Then what is the measurement? 6 VSD minus 5 MSD plus 32. You can watch from right side diagram, from 32 MSD subtracted by 1 VSD. You can check, pause the video and check. It implies 27 MHD plus 5 VSD. It is equal to 27 plus 5 into 0.9, and it is the answer what we are obtaining, that is option C, that is 31.5 millimeter. That is our answer. I hope you can get. Second method is easier. In first method we first calculated zero error, then obtained measurement minus zero error is actual measurement, and that is the one step longer method, and there may be chance of mistake if you don't know how to calculate zero error, negative zero error particular. Thank you very much.